How to download your information on Facebook Messenger. Firstly, you have to open the Facebook Messenger app in your phone. By clicking on it, click on the three lines which appear at the left top corner. Click on this gear option. By clicking on this, you can see here there is account center. You have to click on account center here, and you can see here different options. You have to click on the passwords and the security here. Before this, just make sure watch the complete video and follow each step carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. Click your information here, and you can see there is an option of download your information. When you have to request to download or complete copy, in this way you will select your all the information, and your information will be downloaded, and you will get notification that you are able to view your information that you have provided on Facebook or Messenger account. This procedure is for both Android as well as for iPhone. Please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing, and subscribing to our channel for more valuable content in the future. Your engagement is highly appreciated. I wish you very, very good luck. Thanks.